Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose a ClickBank affiliate nickname, the right ClickBank affiliate nickname. Choosing a right ClickBank affiliate nickname is very important because when you're promoting a product and when you have generated your affiliate link, most times, in fact, always, most times, let me say most times, your username, which is known as nickname, will be attached to that product. So when you use the wrong nicknames, it really scares your buyers away from buying through your link. So it scares buyers away from purchasing that product through your link. Okay, so that is why you need to use right nickname when you are signing up for an affiliate account on ClickBank. Now you can skip this method if you already have a ClickBank affiliate account, and if you're already making money with it. But if you are not yet if you have not been making money with it, I suggest you start afresh using this method to sign up for affiliate account on ClickBank. So here are the examples of the rights nicknames you can use when signing up for affiliate account on ClickBank. You can see this: best ever, nice buy, works well, unique ever. These are just few I can just come up with. You can just get the idea and generate more one unique name for yourself. Then these are the examples of wrong nickname you can use on ClickBank using your full names: James Baker, Paul CK, Jennifer F, Sandra Peters, or your name or whatever your name may be, is wrong. I don't really suggest it. It scares buyers from purchasing the product through your link. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, let's go to ClickBank. Now assuming I'm promoting this product, or you're promoting this product, which I'll show you how to do. Now let's assume I've generated the link, my affiliate link. Can you see what I just showed you? My username has been attached to this product. Can you see? So compare this link with this one. So which one will attract more buyers? I guess this, because this one looks professional. Best ever. Then this, for CK. Can you see? So that is why you need to choose unique username when signing up here on ClickBank. Alright, so that is it. I'll see you in the next video.